Hey, we out here in High Falls State Park, Georgia. The highest waterfall in the middle of Georgia. You got some prisoners over there. They doing cleaning up, whatever. We just met a gentleman walking his dog. He's a local. He's been living here his whole life. Took some pictures by the tree over there. It's a nice little area. This used to be an industrial town back in the days, in the 1800s. Became abandoned later. So they built this dam. It's like a 35 feet tall dam, but it's not the actual waterfall. The waterfall is further down there. We're debating whether or not we're gonna walk there because it's it's a mile, 2 mile walk or something. Walking 2 miles in the forest, that's a long walk. We got a lot of driving to do. We might just stay out here and just enjoy the fall. I mean the dam. Look at that, it's pretty. It's pretty, right, honey? What? High Falls State Park. It's got a nice little lake back there.